right? I don't know how to do this, or this person is so much further ahead. I'll never be in their position. Yet I have to remind myself that I'm 5, 6 years behind this person that I'm learning from, and that they started in the same exact place that I did. You have to remember that part. You can't compare yourself to someone who is so much further ahead in their journey than you are. It's not fair to yourself. You can't do that. And remember also that that person that you're learning from also started in the exact same place that you did, probably with less information and less help than you did, because there's more readily available now than there was even back then for them, right? So you actually have it a little bit easier. But positive reframing is definitely important. It's something that really, really helped me in my mindset, I think, with all of